Today I'm going to talk about this USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter. I use this to connect my sound card to my handphone. Okay. This is the audio adapter, Type-C to 3.5mm. Okay, so after using this, I find that the quality of this is really very good. Okay, so it says here that it is clear and distortion free, which is very true. The sound quality, right, is really very clear, like there isn't an adapter being used. Okay, why do I say that it's very clear? Because before I bought this UGreen adapter, I actually bought a cheaper one which cost me like $3, and the sound quality, there was a lot of quality loss in the sound produced. Okay, you can hear that some parts of the sound was actually cannot be heard. So that's why I look for another adapter, and I found this UGreen, and it is able to work very well.